at some point during your conversation design project, you're going to make an assessment as a team about whether a conversational interface is really in the realm of possibility as a solution for you, and whether it'll be a good customer experience, whether you'll get a good return on investment, and whether even part of the conversation or the whole of the conversation can even be automated. And normally these decisions kind of take place in a vacuum, in a tunnel, in the scope of your own project. And what we're suggesting to you here, no surprise by now, is that we believe that these assessments should be shared a little bit more broadly in the organization across different project teams. And efficiency in this case is certainly a compelling reason to share, so that people don't kind of maybe repeat the same mistakes that you did or have to go and do the same learnings you did. But sharing your assessment, it opens up discussions about what is right for a conversational interface and what may not be right for a conversational interface, kind of what the benefits and the burdens are of those systems. And because we know that one team's yes may be another team's no, we wanted a way to sort of complete an assessment that was a little bit more objective than subjective. We know that Google, and I'm sure others since I've last looked, have assessments out there that help designers determine whether conversation is the right fit for a solution. And what we're showing you here is just a little bit of an enterprise twist on that Google model that's already out there. Again, geared more towards large organizations and perhaps even more support circumstances. So you want to ask yourself, do reps talk about this topic or intent with customers currently? Can the topic be something that's covered in a few turns? Is it efficient for the reps to do? And is the topic covered in the same way? Is this a repeatable process, or is this something where reps really have to improvise and do something different each time? And also, do users have trouble finding information about this topic elsewhere? Is this kind of a closed private thing, or is there a lot of information out there in the world about that? And then also, would the bot be able to tap into the same systems and the same data and the info that reps have to provide an answer? Or is that data behind a system that's kind of closed off and not something you can tap into? So going through the checklist and answering these questions for our login assistance use case, we determined that getting help through an automated conversation would be a right fit. Basically, the only box we didn't have fully checked was that there is other information about this use case out on our sites and such, but we know that customers still have problems, so let's help them in that case.